welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing and turning on your notification as I have new uploads every week. Now today I'll be showing you how to make this simple tasty Ndengu stew, also known as mung beans or green grams, which you can enjoy with some rice, chapati or potatoes. But before we start, so these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Of course, your Ndengu, which as you can see mine I've boiled and it's very soft, and that's what you want so that it gives you a thick stew. I also have coriander, some green bell peppers, milk, onions, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and for the spices I'll just be using paprika, cumin, black pepper, and I just added some curry powder because this is a curry and it goes perfectly well with it. And I just wanted to show you an optional spice if you would like to use as well, is the dana jira, and it's actually also good for this as well, so you can always alternate. And I have carrots that I've grated, you can chop them if you want, and it's optional as well. And I have tomatoes that I have pureed. So I'll start by adding some oil in our sufuria or pot, and followed by your onions, and fry them until they're translucent. Once the onions are almost done, go ahead to add in your garlic and fry them as well. Next, go ahead to add in your tomatoes. So if you're using whole tomatoes, cook them until they are completely broken down. So because I'm using pureed tomatoes, it's pretty fast. Then add your green bell peppers. Together with your spices. Then followed by your carrots. And let it simmer down. So add just a little bit of water to it and just let it cook, and all the spices and the carrots as well to cook as well. Give it about 3 to 4 minutes. Once that is done, it's time to add your Ndengu. Then add a little bit of water and cover it and let it simmer well. So once the ndengu has cooked really well, it's time to finally add your milk. And milk is such an important step because it adds so much richness to your ndengu and it gives it such a beautiful taste. So since the ndengu is done, I'm just going to let it simmer a little bit with the milk and it is ready to serve. Keep stirring your ndengu so that it does not stick at the bottom of your pot or sufuria, as beans and ndengu tend to stick at the bottom of your sufuria a lot. And once that is done, it's time to add your coriander and serve your ndengu. And here you can see it. I love the consistency that it has. You can enjoy this over some chapati, rice, sweet potatoes. I really hope you did enjoy this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you on my next one. Till next time, bye bye.